Today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left here, you're looking at one of our brand new items. This is a countertop gelato maker. Okay, brand on this unit is going to be Mihin. Okay, it is a countertop unit, stainless steel. Now capacity for the bowl here for the ice cream or the gelato, as we say, it's going to be 4 liters. You can see here you have your adjuster here, or the paddle here, that you can go ahead and take out and place back in. Okay, so obviously this has a little piece right here that you can go ahead and tighten up and close and open it up, and you can take this piece out easily. Okay, just to make sure, or once you're ready to clean it out. Also, there's a drain on the inside there that goes out through the front. You can use for cleaning. Okay, so that's when you're ready to clean this machine, you can go ahead and do so. You have the drain right there that will go through the front. Also on the front, we have our timer switch for this unit, as well as the power switch for the gelato maker. Okay, on the side of the unit, we have a sticker with all the specs regarding this unit. It is certified by the health department. You have all the specs. You have the voltage, power, all that information you can locate on the side. Okay, this unit does run on 110 volt, and your plug is located on the back of the unit, standard US plug. You also will be provided with a operation manual. So if you have any questions or don't know how to use the unit, you want to get more familiar with this gelato maker, all the information will be on here. Okay, also there's a cover right here you can go ahead and open up and close for your gelato unit. Okay, now I'm gonna measure the inside here. You're looking at a measurement of 9 inches by 6 inches. Okay, so that's the measurement, overall measurement of this gelato maker. 23 inches by 19 by 13 and a half. Okay, so those are your measurements. This is a countertop gelato maker. As we mentioned, all the information is provided right there. If you have any other questions, you can also let us know. Go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll help you more information, including the exact price for this unit. As I mentioned before, if you have any other questions or anything regarding this gelato maker, you can give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.